Slicers in Excel are a quick way to filter data in a table or pivot table, especially for repeating filtering tasks. Let's see how. Here are the responses from a parent survey. To filter the data, you will need to use the Filter option in the Data tab, and then filter each category. But this will take a long time, especially if there are certain filtering tasks you need to repeat every time you use this table. Instead, you can use the slicers in Excel, which creates filter buttons for quick use. First, click anywhere inside the data table. Now select the Insert tab and then the Slices option under the Filters area in the ribbon. This has now displayed the column headings, and you can select which ones you want and to click OK. You now have two menus to filter the table data with. Just click on the options that you want to filter the data with. And if you have more than one option, you can keep hold of the Control key and then select all the options you want filtered, and then let go of the Control key. To clear the filters, just click on the Clear Filter icon here. You can customize a slicer by selecting it and then clicking on the Slicer tab on the ribbon. For more Excel tips and tricks, click on the next video option.